Welcome to the Postman Day. The Maharashtra government is taking new safety measures as they see hike in the COVID-19 cases in Maharashtra. In the light of a rise in COVID-19 cases, the Mumbai Municipal Corporation has decided to register offences against people who violate safety guidelines, an official said on Thursday. The civic body has intensified action against people found without masks in public and will take action against function halls, gymnasiums and other establishments that don't follow safety norms, the official said. It has decided to fine function halls, gymnasiums and restaurants if the number of patrons or attendees is found to be beyond the permissible limit, Suresh Kakani, Additional Municipal Commissioner, told. These establishments will be prosecuted if they continue to flout the norms, he said. The permissible limit of guests at function halls is 50, while restaurants are available to operate with 50% occupancy at any given time. The civic body has decided to resume stamping of the hands of people who are placed under home quarantine, and in case of violation, an offence will be registered against them. Similar action will be taken against those who flout the rules at weddings and other social gatherings in the city, and BMC teams will raid event venues, he said. The civic body has also decided to double the number of cleanup marshals who can impose fines on those who do not wear masks in public from Rs 2,400 to 4,800 rupees. At least 300 cleanup marshals will be deployed on suburban trains. Apart from this, the civic body said a 7-day institutional quarantine is mandatory for travelers arriving at Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport from Brazil, where a new strain of the virus has been found. According to official data, the BMC has caught more than 15 lakh people roaming in public without a mask and collected over 30 crore in fine since April 1, 2020. Buildings with more than 5 COVID-19 patients will be sealed. The BMC has decided so. Teachers from BMC schools will be deployed at all buildings, offices and hospitals managed by the civic body with powers to take punitive action against those roaming without masks.